Good evening and thanks for joining us on The Debate. As we beam to you today from our Republic studios, our editor-in-chief Arnab Goswami is spending his sixth night in the Taloja jail. His crime is that he spoke truth to power. His crime is that he did not bend in front of our state machinery and put citizens first. His crime is that from the Palghar case in April to the Sushant Singh Rajput case over the last few months to the Shaheen Bagh coverage, he spoke for India. Now his crime is that he said nationalism first, nation first, no compromise.
The Bombay High Court today in a verdict rejected his bail plea. The Honourable Court said, the Sessions Court will decide the matter. We remain undeterred. We remain resolute and we remain certain that justice will be done. The logical conclusion to this campaign of vendetta will be reached and our constitution will prevail.
Ladies and gentlemen, our editor-in-chief Arnab Goswami anchored from these very studios every day, 9 p.m. for you. He questions scamsters, he stung writers, he took VVIP racism, he debate justice till the very end, whether in Unnao or in Kathua. He stood against triple talaq, he stood for our forces day after day. He stood for an integrated India, and today we here are fighting for him. Our fight is in the courts and in the courts of public opinion, ladies and gentlemen.
You are our strength, you are our pillar of support, you are the foundation that keeps the Fourth Estate going. And we will always be your voice. As we speak, more than 2 million of you have said #India with Arnab. You have rode from 217 regions across the world. You have taken to the streets in over 10 cities just today. You have written petitions and signed them. We thank you for your support. The nation is with Arnab, and we will march on together collectively and unitedly till justice is done.
Hi everyone, this is Arnab Goswami and I want to talk about our digital platform Republic World, the fastest news destination which has got you covered on all fronts, be it politics, entertainment or sport. And the reason I want you to follow Republic World is because for far too long there has only been negativity about India on the digital medium. Republic World is my campaign against the negativity prevalent on social media and digital media. So for the first time, I offer you a choice. Get the content that builds the nation. Avoid the content and avoid everyone on digital media who speaks against the nation. And do not forget to download the Republic World app for breaking news alerts. Thanks for watching. Together, let's kill the negativity against India on the digital media. Let's ensure that it's truly nation first, no compromise.